Our goal at LSC is to get children excited about science and on a path to STEM careers. Science encompasses traditional fields like astronomy, physics, and biology, but also applied subjects like engineering, food science, medicine, architecture, biotech, and public health, and expanding new fields like robotics, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. My colleague, Ivory Williams, LSC's VP of STEM Education, will give you a taste of live virtual programs that LSC offered to students of different ages during COVID-19. Take it away, Ivory.
Thank you, Paul. I'm here in LSC's Maker Lab. We have a terrific team of STEM educators at LSC who are dedicated to the idea of STEM for all and to assisting educators in helping their students continue their STEM learning arc in these challenging times. Earlier, you met Andrew, one of our planetarium educators. Here's Mike, the director of our Jennifer Chalsty Planetarium, showing a computer simulation of two galaxies merging.
And our two galaxies in 4.5 billion years are going to fuse together. So generally, everything is expanding in the cosmos.
We have programs for early learners where we lead them in experiments in their homes. Here, Kingo is showing how to model the flight of maple seeds as they fall from trees.
And you want to try and make it look like this, and then you're just going to drop it and let it go. Okay? Now there's lots of different ways we can experiment with our maple seed model. One of them is to add our paperclip. Okay?
In a workshop for young learners on simple machines, Caroline demonstrates the concept of friction.
When I was rubbing my hands up and down together, my hands started getting a little warm. I felt the pressure between them. If I was using my hands to symbolize the friction and the resistance, my hand would be the shopping cart without wheels, and this would be the ground that I'm trying to push the shopping cart on.
Rosa is leading students in making paper airplanes so that they can learn about Bernoulli's principle and the physics of flight at home.
So you're going to create a paper airplane and you're going to test it afterwards.
We use live animals in many programs. Take a look at Fred teaching his pet and lab partner Colonel Quell how to make a tornado in a jar.
So now is the fun part. So I'm going to spin the jar really fast in my hands. You ready for this, Colonel Quell?
Our cotton-top tamarins, which are a very endangered species and live only in the wild in Colombia, get across the subject of wildlife conservation. One of our marquee programs is called Live from Surgery, in which students watch entire surgeries in real time through two-way video conferencing with New Jersey hospitals, all while conversing with the surgical teams during the operations. We also dissect cow's eyes, as Alejandro is demonstrating.
That thin, clear membrane is what we call the conjunctiva or the conjunctiva.
Between LSC's live virtual programs and our pre-COVID in-person offerings, we delivered live STEM programming this past year to 131,000 students in some 500 New Jersey schools. 120 of these schools were located in New Jersey's lowest income communities. We also provided STEM professional development programs to 300 teachers. LSC is ready for the new academic year. We offer dozens of live virtual STEM programs to support educators and students in New Jersey, and for that matter, anywhere in the world.